Boxing, a spin test, and a test battle of the Beyblade XUX08 Silver Wolf ATFB. Oh. Yeah, now I know what's FB. Okay, so before we go, yeah, it snaps on my mind. What is an FB? Because on the unleashing for this one, I really forgot what's an FB. Yeah, let's go. Let's unbox this, and now I'm excited because I now know what is an FB means. Okay, so now without further ado, let's go. Let's unbox this because I know you already know the parts of the box because it's on my unleashing. Okay, now let's go. Let's unbox. Okay, so yeah, these are the parts of our Vivid X Silver Wolf. And yeah, this is the box, then the code, which I will use that next time. Okay, now let's go first, and it's launcher. Because it has its own launcher also. Okay, so the launcher, it's just the same, but it's the same in mechanics. But its color is a little bit different because it has this silver turning part right there. It's now silver. Okay, and if they do this, they paint this part right here silver, so that it's much more better. So this is just the part which is a little bit different. Something gray silver like that, not so metallic. And then we also have a check out this one, a ripcord. Okay, still I don't know, it's still the same with the normal one. Yeah, so let's try this on its own ripper or its own launcher. Ooh, nice, another one. Let's see. Okay, I can feel heaviness in that. So yeah, now let's go to its parts. Now let's have its beat. And its beat is an FB, and now I know what's an FB. FB is free ball. Yeah, it's free ball because if you can see there at the side of this beat, there is no something that's something clay something, I forgot what's the term, but yeah, something, there's a groove right there which really stops, or click, there's a click or something, it holds the beat on the inside of the ratchet, but this one doesn't have. So I think that's the sense of being a free ball. Yeah, and it's a ball. Okay, and then the ratchet, I just don't know if I really open it with my cutter last time on the opening, or it's really open. But yeah, so much for that. It's still the same because it's your ratchet is your 380. Am I right? Yeah, it's a 380 ratchet. It's a little bit large, but thankfully it's 3, not 4. I think 4 is also okay, and thankfully it's a 2. Yeah, it's much more better. And then it's blade, because this blade also has a gimmick. And what's the gimmick? Ooh, you can see that blade, man. That's so very nice. The gimmick is, this is a free spinning one. A free spinning blade at the bottom. It's like an assessed blade. So there's no set that will set. It's just really just go free spin. Okay? Very nice. So now let's combine them, the parts. Okay. Nice one. And then the free ball. Ooh. And literally it's a free ball. No something holding it at the inside. Maybe there is. I think this part right here. But this part is the free spinning part. Yeah. Free ball. Okay, so without further ado, let's go and let's get our station to have a spin test for this one, so we will know its ability and its performance, especially of this free spinning assist blade right there. Yeah, because assist blade is on the CX line, but yeah, this one, it has that gimmick, man. Let's see. Let's go and let's get our station.